Giant pandas have unique camouflage that helps them blend into their surroundings. Though up close, pandas don't match the colors of their forested habitats. From a distance of about 50 meters, it's hard for predators to make out their shape among the trees. Because they live in snowy areas in the winter and hot climates in the summer, their black and white pattern is something of an evolutionary compromise. The light fur is good for blending into snowy environments, while their dark eyes, limbs, and ears help them blend into shadows when it's sunny. The common name giant panda initially came about because scientific observers noticed it had a similar diet and paw structure to the red panda, which had been discovered 50 years prior. Due to these similarities, it was assumed the two animals belonged to the same family, though genetic testing later found that the two species were unrelated. The names remained. They can climb to elevations as high as 3.9 kilometers, 13,000 feet, usually to feed on high slopes of their bamboo forest habitat in the summer season. Where temperatures are cooler, giant pandas climb trees using their claws and their heads to help cling onto tree trunks and shimmy their way skyward. Giant pandas are a unique species. About 3 million years ago, the species evolved to exist solely on plants and one plant in particular, bamboo. The giant panda's diet is 99% bamboo shoots and leaves. On the rare occasion they aren't champing on bamboo, they'll turn to other readily available vegetation like pumpkin, kidney beans, and wheat. They have also been known to eat insects and small mammals, though it's rare. Pandas spend at least half the day eating. Giant pandas spend up to 16 hours a day eating bamboo, which they uproot from the ground with their dexterous paws. Though they only feast on bamboo, this plant isn't a nutrient-rich food source for them, meaning they need to eat a lot of it to fill up. Giant pandas can eat up to 12 kilograms, 26.4 pounds of bamboo per day. When they're not eating, they're usually sleeping. Pandas have two main hobbies, eating and sleeping. In one 24-hour day, giant pandas spend about 12 to 16 hours a day eating and the remaining 8 to 12 hours asleep. In the hot summer months, their daytime naps can last even longer. Pandas tend to sleep either sprawled on their backs or curled up on their side. Pandas poop throughout the day. Giant pandas poop around 100 times each day. Because their stomachs haven't evolved to process the huge amounts of bamboo they're eating every day, pandas need to poop a lot, all day long. Even when they're sleeping, they're only able to digest about 17% of the bamboo they're eating, which means the vast majority of it comes out as waste. Because they continue to defecate while sleeping, researchers can estimate the length of time a panda has been asleep based on the amount of poop near them.
Kú dédé àsìkò yóò wá tọmọ rẹ̀ mi ti rí giant panda yìí o. Ọ̀parun àmọ́ yìí jẹ́ ìsọmọ̀ ọ̀parun pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ àtún.